Alright guys, welcome back. Before we get started in this video, I do just want to let you know that there is going to be blood. There is a turkey getting shot. So if you don't like things like that, then this isn't the video for you. So. Smoked him. Let's go. Well guys, there you have it. He flew down about 10 minutes after shooting light. And I had the camera rolling, but he was kind of to where we couldn't film him without getting caught. So we just had to take that and took what we got, and I turned the camera on and he walked right in front of it. He was about 35 yards shooting. The gun I'm shooting is this 20 gauge with the modified choke, 3-inch turkey shells. Doesn't get much better than that though. So I think we're gonna take this bird home, get him cleaned up, and I'll see you then. I don't know how much of this y'all can tell, but that turkey probably has 1.5 inch spurs. Those are the biggest spurs I've seen in a long time, and then his beard is probably 9 inches, so that's pretty cool. Whenever I get him back to the house, I'll take some official measurements, but Well, I just got the turkey home. And he does, in fact, have a 9-inch beard. So let's measure his spurs. They are about 1 1/4 inches. Alright, guys. Sorry for the wind. I'm going to cut his beard off. And you can just take your hands and pull it, but I think a knife's easier. Just take a knife and do it. Just go like that. You got your beard off. Pretty much to get the breast meat out, which is in here in his chest, you just have to rip all these feathers out, which I'm going to do right now. And then I'll show you what you do from there. Alright, so now that we got the feathers peeled off of here, you pretty much just pull back the skin, which there will be a breast under. And you cut it out, which I'm not going to show that on YouTube. Probably shouldn't even be showing this, but... Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one.